Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you dollar sign function in MS Excel. So what is the work? Let's see. Let's suppose I have 12 and 12 and if I use the formula, some formula, or if I directly add 12 plus 12, so definitely first I will use is equals to, then I will click this cell and then I will say plus this cell, and now if I say enter, so now it's giving me 24. 12 plus 12 equals to 24. Definitely this is the answer. But what I do now, I will simply click and drag, and as you know that whenever I click and drag, so the range comes down. As you can see that now the range is here. Before the range was here, now it is here, now it is here, now it is here. Getting me? But sometimes I don't want range to go down. Getting me? So what will I use? I will use dollar sign. How? See, for example, if I double click on it, and if I double click, if I come in the middle B and between B and 3, and if I press F4, F2, F1, F3, F5. Okay, so in this time whatever I use F4, and here I also do F4. So what is the work of this? Let's see. If I do F4, and definitely now you can see that now we have two dollar sign, and if I click and drag now, so you can see that now the range in the same place is not coming down. Why? Because I said dollar sign. So whenever we have dollar sign before and definitely in middle, so means that neither we can go down nor we can, if I click and drag this range, you can say left or right, so you can see that still the range is here, the range is still here. Why? Because I said dollar sign. So whenever we use dollar sign, so we can stop the range. Getting me? And if we use dollar sign, so the range can neither can go down nor it can go left or right. So this is the first work of dollar sign. This is the first kind of dollar sign. And now if I remove this all, delete. Now I will double click again this cell, and now I will press again F4. So definitely now we have different second kind of F4, or you can say dollar sign. So if I now say enter, and if I now come down, so definitely now still is not coming down. Why? Because I said the dollar. But here you can see that here we don't have dollar at the beginning. So if I click and drag this range to left or right, so now it is not stuck on the same place. Now it is not on the same place. Getting me? So when we have dollar sign just on the middle, so definitely we can, you can say we can you can say drag this range to left side or right side, but not, you can say, downside. Getting me? And then the last, what do we have? If I come again, and again if I say F4, so if I say F4, where's the F4? Definitely. Okay, so definitely here is a F4, so you can see that now we have you can say dollar before, you can say B, and if I say again, so you can see that now again we have dollar but before B. So what is the work? If we have dollar sign before, so if we click and drag and down this our range, so definitely our range will come down, but in this time the range will not go left and right. Getting me? Still on the same range, still same place. Getting me? So this is the work of dollar sign. Getting me? So here we have three kinds, as you can see that here we have three kinds of dollar sign. The first is means if we have both, means $2, so neither we can go down nor we can go left or right. If we have dollar sign middle, so we cannot go down, but definitely we can drag this range to left. And if we have dollar sign the beginning, so definitely we can drag this dollar sign down, but not left or right. Getting me? So this is the work of dollar sign in MS Excel. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplus.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in your next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.